that I would find someone when I wasn't lucky. Though I prayed for so long, God would send me down an angel who could really love me. And then I saw his face, and I knew that he would steal my heart away. I'm in love with the one who always been down. I will be faithful, love and true, and I can't wait to say I do. And I can't wait to say I do.